Hi, thank you for joining me at Home with Jenny. So today we're doing a Torrid haul. I went online shopping with Torrid and bought summer clothes because I need summer clothes. So here's the box. We're gonna go through it item by item and I'm gonna pray that they fit. Let's get started. Here we go. Oh, everything is individually bagged. Okay. That's going to be a lot of garbage. So here we have a V-neck tank, sort of. Let me turn the camera. Sorry. So here's the tank top. It's like a high-low sort of thing. I don't know how I would describe it. How would I describe this? It's blue, it's floral, it's pretty, it's silky, it's sleeveless, it's a V-neck. It's called a Torrid Super Soft Knit in a size 1. Next we have, underwear and a bra and another bra. Here we go. Here's a shirt. Where's the opening? And my dog is drinking. Yay! Okay. She'll drink for the next 5 minutes because I'm recording and I'm ignoring her. So, I got this shirt that I'm super excited about. It has giraffes on it. I'm way excited about this shirt. I'm so dumb. I can't wait to put on a white cami underneath this and wear this to work. I think it's going to be so cute. It needs to hurry up and warm up here because it's not warm yet. But I'm ready for summer. Oh, hold on. Ouch. My thumbnail just broke. Oh yay, she's eating. She hasn't eaten in like 5 days because I won't give her wet food. So now she's been on strike. My dog has been on strike, refusing to eat her kibble. Okay. This one is super pretty, I think. That's my opinion, and I'm entitled to it. You are entitled to yours. Leave it in the comments below. This is a dress? Wait. No. This goes over a cami and leggings. I knew I didn't order a dress. This is a high-low top with like an empire waist. Yeah. This is so pretty. It's sheer. I mean, you can see me through it probably. But I don't know if you can because of the light. But it's totally cute. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I never really thought I would like florals and stuff, but I don't know if it's my age or if they've just come a long way. But I'm starting to like them. Some of them. I'm very picky. They have to be big and bold, not tiny little flowers. Here's a top. Oh, this is a tank. Oh, it's super soft. So this is a black, like, tank top. It's really soft. It's called Super Soft Knits, size 1. They're not kidding. It's really soft. I don't even know. It's like kind of stretchy. It's pretty stretchy. And see, it's so soft. Here's another top. Ooh, this one's super pretty too. And I bought myself shorts. I'm gonna wear shorts at home this summer. I am already in love with this top. I hope this fits me. Look at the detail on this. Isn't that the eyelet lace? Isn't that pretty? I'm gonna yawn. There we go. It's only 5:28 in the morning right now. This is a super cute cami that I was planning on wearing under the giraffe shirt. They all need to be washed and de-wrinkled. Uh-oh, my alarm's gonna go off. Sorry. Now it's 5:30. So it must have been 5:29. My clock on the wall must be off. Hello, Penelope. Come here. Oh, did you find a silica pack? Thank you. Come here. Say good morning. Say good morning. Did you finish all your food so you can have a cam now? Gross, you got it on me. Oh, that's so nasty. Go on. No, stop it. Get back. If she doesn't want to move, she whines. Oh, anyway. This is a 2-layer tank-ish. I don't know. They're not really tank tops. I don't know what to call them. They're sleeveless tops. And this one has a V-neck. It's a high-low. It has a black lining, sheer lining underneath, and a floral top. I guess. Pink roses. Yeah. It's black with pink roses. It's pretty. I like it. Okay, stripes. I have been into stripes lately. And I can wear this now. Yay, it's a t-shirt. It's a striped t-shirt. It's so cute. I love the black neck. This is pretty. And it's soft and stretchy. Okay, what's next? Here's a lace front. Is this a, oh no, this is this that wrap thing that I bought? Yes. Okay, so I got this to go with the white cami as well. It's a floral, what do you call these? It's like, I can't think of what they're called. It's not a shawl, like you put it on, you put your arms through here. This is the back, and then this is the front panel. It's super sheer and light, perfect for a hot summer day at work when I wear a tank top like this one that we're going to open next. Just a regular cami. I got everything in the size 1. I have a feeling this is underwear, but I'm not sure. I'll save it because I'm pretty sure that's underwear. I don't need to open my underwear on camera. Oh yeah, it's definitely, there's a whole bunch right here. Okay. We have 2 more tops and then we have the shorts. Here we have a sleeveless top. It's like a linen with, I don't know, I just really love these shirts. They kind of remind me of my childhood in when we lived in Idaho, so that would have been in the late 70s. I don't know, I just really like these shirts a lot. But it has a little keyhole with a button. Hopefully it's long enough to cover my fanny. And let's get the last shirt. I thought I got a black cami. Maybe that's what that one was. I'm sure I got a black cami. I just don't know if I accidentally stuck it in with the underwear pile or not. Because it's kind of hard to tell. Here's a white, super soft knit tank. Okay, it's time for the shorts, and then we're done. I got, oh no wait, here's something else. That's underwear. Okay, so I got the same style of shorts in 2 sizes. I got a size 20 and a size 18. Because I don't know which ones will fit. But they're cute. They're distressed in the front. And I don't like shorts that are tight on my legs. It really bothers me. So that's it. We're done. I guess we only had one thing. I don't need to show you the same pair of shorts twice in 2 different sizes. Alright, thank you for joining at Home with Jenny. I appreciate you so much. Leave a comment if you like videos like this, unboxings and makeup videos, get ready with me's, hauls. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying to add more DIYs as we go into phase 2 of reopening. We'll see what I'm able to get a hold of. I'm not willing to put myself at risk and go to the stores until it's a little bit safer. All right, you guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.